Parrot Jungle lies just a few miles south of one of America's favourite holiday resorts, Miami Beach. People on holiday like to visit places of interest or entertainment, even if they sometimes ignore similar places on their own doorstep. Parrot Jungle is just one of the many attractions of Florida, and in its field would be hard to beat. Its closest rival being some 3,000 miles away on the island of Tenerife. The Americans never seem to do things by half. Apart from the circus type show that's put on nearly every hour, a main feature is the readily available collection of exotic birds that enjoy the company of any human being that isn't cruel to them. You can also have your picture taken with a cluster of them, and no one expects a backhander. The attraction isn't all parrots, macaws and cockatoos. It is a truly delightful and carefully kept landscape of subtropical plants and ponds. In a lazy afternoon stroll, the visitor can take in even more bird life, and then walk round to see spectacular greenery that even includes banana plants and sausage trees. Not too many visitors leave Parrot Jungle without a souvenir picture of the magnificent creatures standing all over them. It's only for a few seconds, and that's at the end of a pretty long wait in the queue, but it is worthwhile if your picture comes out all right.